Hello everyone, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. This particular video is all about block palettes and a block menu sound. Okay, so we have seen motions, looks, now sound. Okay, so sound is something you're adding some voice component to your animation. Okay, so voice component to your animation or games. Okay, right now we have cat sprite here. So cat will do meow, right? So let us see. Okay, so I just dragged this block palette to the script area of sprite 1. If I click meow, done, right? So this sound is, so this block will play the sound until it is done. Okay, so here it is just a play sound. Okay, if you give another one, just see here, if I just placing it, okay, let us choose another one sound. Okay, I am just going to the sound tab, going to the library. Okay, and let us see how it is. Okay, afro string. Okay, so if you just click on this drop down menu, you just afro string also. Okay, if I click, so both gets played, right? So it avoids some, I mean it's it makes us some confusions. Okay, whereas see here, okay, here can you see the difference? First meow played until it done, then comes the afro string. Okay, can you see here? So just hear the difference. Okay, if you see the difference here, both the things played together here one by one. So this is the difference between these two, play sound and play sound until done. Okay, so if you have some sounds are playing continuously at the background, then if you want to stop it, then this block palette will be used. Okay, see here. So if you stop, if you click on this palette stop all sound, all the sounds which you are playing at the background will stop. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I'm just putting everything together and placing it here. Okay, now drums. Okay, you have so many options. You can play drums, bass. See here, these are the available options. Okay, so these are the instruments which are available, bango, congo. So I am not good at instrument, so you can just play with this music also. So see here, 1, see here 2. So these are the different drums available. Okay, you can just place here. Okay, I will be let me show you one example. Going to the sprite library. Okay, okay, here is the drum. Okay, drum congo or drum bass will take. Okay, or drum snare will take. Okay, okay, now drum snare we have take. Can you see the costumes? Okay, 2 costumes are there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm go to the next costume. Okay, and I'm going to do this. Okay, yes, now see here, can you see the difference? It is moving, right? And sound is playing. Okay, okay, now see here, play note. Okay, so this is for piano. Okay, so if you are good at piano, you can create your piano thing by your own. Okay, so see here, piano. So I'm not good at piano, I'm just showing you the functionality of this block. You can very well use it for the piano thing also. Okay, then set instrument. There are so many instrument available here, saxophone. So these are the instrument available, and you can play the music accordingly. Okay, so set the instrument and play the note. Okay, so right now one is piano and play note is here. If I change to cello, okay, right now I am changing it to cello, and if I see the music note, okay, see here. So according to this instrument you are setting, your play note gets changed. Okay, if you are expert in music, you can just very well try and play with this play drum. You have different types of drum and you have different types of instrument here, and their play notes are also available. Okay, see a flute. Let us check with the flute. Okay, Okay, so different types of notes and different types of instruments also available. You can very well experiment with it, and you can also play. Okay, and here comes the volume. So if you want to decrease the volume, just you can do. Okay, set the volume to 100%, full volume. Okay, set the volume to 100%. Okay, right now just see here, I am just placing this block, this palette at the last. Okay, see here, now the sound you have heard, right? Okay, so at each step minus 10 point of volume get decreased. Okay, see here, 70, 60. So at each step your 10 point get decreased. Okay, and tempo. Okay, tempo is something, it also depends upon music. Okay, so tempo is also, I am just changing by 10 degree. Okay, so if you are expert in music, then you can very well play or with this block palettes. Okay, and also you can add interesting components, music components to your animation and games. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.